I'm Bernie from Parker, South Dakota, and I own a construction company. We raise barrel horses, so that's kind of our hobby with that, but there's a lot of work that goes into just that part of it on what we do outside every day just to maintain this place. Before I had my shoulder surgery, I was really limited on what I could do on day-to-day activities of no movement in it. The pain that I was having, I couldn't sleep at night. So that was really limiting me, and I felt I was young enough yet, and I didn't want to wait until I was older to have it done.
After evaluating him, we determined that he had arthritis in his shoulder that was causing his symptoms. And after discussing it further with him, he decided to go ahead and proceed with the shoulder replacement.
So when he replaced my shoulder, I think we were in and out in an hour and 45 minutes, which really surprised me on how fast it happened. And it felt great right after it was done. That part was good. Since getting my shoulder replaced, it's been way better as far as what I can do. I can pretty much go back to everything that I was doing, everything above my head, lifting, all of that stuff that I couldn't do before that I can do now since I've had my shoulder replaced, putting 300 bales in the barn, riding motorcycles, riding horse, lifting, carrying stuff that I could never do before.